Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool candlestick telephone by Deco Tel, and this is Gary's equipment from Ohio, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this unit is in very good condition for its age. Gary's got a note with this unit. This telephone is not working, so this telephone has some issues. We've troubleshooted this unit a little bit, and there is an original line cord that's pretty long, and someone has spliced in a piece of modular line cord to the unit so it could be plugged into a modern jack. And we know that the connections are making contact, so we just want to repair the line cord. We want to install a modular port plug on the original line cord so that it will plug into any modern jack. We also want to take a look at some wiring issues at the network. We also want to take a look at the bell. That has been troubleshooted and it's not ringing properly at this time. We want to go through the hook switch, the transmit, and the receive. We also want to troubleshoot the receiver cord. We will also go through the rotary dial and take care of any issues. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool candlestick telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool candlestick telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that we have an amplified pickup connected to the network on the inside of the telephone so that you can hear the audio on the final checkout. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I want to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. Let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the spit cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our receiver capsule up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call it time and temp. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Wednesday, November 14th. The current time, 9:51 p.m. and the temperature, 28 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool candlestick telephone, a Deco Tel, has been repaired, we can return it to Gary and he can enjoy this really cool telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.